Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to use Google Forms. Okay, first we need to go to google.com and then upper right corner of your window, and you can see there the Google apps available on your PC. Okay, so we have here your account, Gmail account, Drive, Classroom, Docs, Sheets. Okay, find your Google Forms. Go. Okay, just type Google Forms. Enter. Click this. These are the available forms that you can see here in my account. Okay, we will create another forms, a quiz. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is click the setting icon at the upper right corner. Click this, and then you can choose general or presentation or quizzes. In our case, we'll choose quizzes. Okay, make this form a quiz. Okay, we can assign. We can also release grade immediately after its submission, or we can choose later after manual review. Okay, and then respondents can see missed questions, correct answer, and point values. Okay, so we'll save this. So our title for our form is activity or attendance. Activity number 1. Description. Okay, so we can put here our direction and how to answer the questions here. Okay, so direction. Read the questions and click the right answer. And so the first question will have what is the largest continent on Earth? We can choose here. We can choose what type of questions or what type of questions we'll be giving to our students. Okay, we can choose short answer, paragraph form of answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, many more. So in our case, we will choose multiple choice. Option number 1, we have Asia. So to add another option, just click enter. Second, we have Africa, South America, North America. Okay, so if you want to put the correct answer, you'll have to check this answer key, then you click required so that the students won't skip any questions. Okay, because once the student is done with answering the activity, sometimes they forget or skip one question. So you need to click the required button here so that the students cannot skip any questions. Okay, so click answer. So our answer here is Asia. Okay, so as you can see, there is a check. It means it's correct. It's the correct answer. And you can assign points. can have 5 points, but I will give them 1 point in this question because it's because it is a multiple choice. Okay, done. Next, if you want to add another question, we have second question. What is the smallest continent on Earth? Option number 1, we have Asia, we have Europe, we have Antarctica, and fourth, Australia. Okay, so again, click required. Again, the purpose of required, so that we will click this required button here so that the student will not miss any questions. If ever they will be if ever they will forget to answer any number. Okay, so we need to click required. Okay, click the answer key. We have Australia at the point. Okay, 1. Next, we have another. We will add another question. Okay, arrange following. What is the capital city of Canada? Yeah. Option number 1, Ottawa. We have Alberta. We have Regina. We have Manila. Okay, click the answer key. We have Ottawa, and then 1. Required. Next, add another question. How many questions do we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 only. What is the capital city of Japan? Yeah. Ottawa, Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. Click required. Click the answer key. Assign the points for the student. Click done. Then add. Okay. What is the capital city of Ireland? We have Dublin. We have Vienna. We have Berlin. We have England. Okay, click required. Click the answer key, which is assign points. Okay, so I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions for the students to answer. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is to send the link of this form so that the students can access the form and answer the activity. So I will click send. For the students to access easily, we have options here. We can send the link through their emails, or we can send the link to a group of people or group chat in the group chat. Okay, so I think it is much convenient for the teacher to copy the link, this link, and then shorten the link. Okay, then copy this, copy, and then you send it to the group that you want. Okay, so I'll send it to there. Okay, I'll choose this person only because it's only a practice. Okay. Message. Oh, message. Okay. So the part of the student will simply click this file so that they will be directed to the form. And as you can see, there it is. Okay, so these are the questions. You have the direction, read the questions, and click the right answer. Okay, so the red part, this one with the asterisk required, it means that you cannot skip on answering the questions, because once you skip this one, the form cannot be submitted. Okay, what is the largest continent? We have Asia. What is the smallest continent? We have Australia. What is the capital city of Canada? We have Ottawa. What is the capital city of Japan? We have Tokyo. What is the capital city of Ireland? We have Dublin. Okay, click submit. And your response has been recorded. View your score. Okay, so this is your score. Total score is 5/5. It means you are perfect. Okay. Then, in my case, I can also see who are the students who answered my activity. Okay, so again, we will go to the form that we created. Okay, let's check the responses. So we can see here that there is one response already. Let's check. Okay, so this is see responses to each question. Now you can view all responses for a single question, one question at a time. You can also bulk grade the responses from this view. Got it? Okay, so this is the summary or insight. Okay, it's like a survey on the outcome of your activity. Okay, so it shows here the survey, the graph. Okay, the average, the median, the range. Okay, so you can see a real-time response of the students here. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah. So that's how easy we can use Google Forms as our quizzes. Okay, and it is also very convenient for the students if only they have access on the internet. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something about my tutorials for today. Thank you.